Has this ever happened to you? You've been asking your child for weeks to brush their teeth on their own. Some days they only brush for 15 seconds, while other days they brush for the full 2 minutes. Every time they brush their teeth for the full time, you give them general compliments such as "good job" and "I'm so proud." While you are boosting your child's self-esteem and confidence, general praise is too broad to let your child know exactly what they are doing well. While you knew the praise was for brushing teeth, the child could interpret it completely differently. They may think the "good job" statement was praising their choice of pajamas or their ability to climb up on the sink and see themselves in the mirror. There is a strategy that you can implement to help children focus on the desired behavior. It's called behavior-specific praise. Behavior-specific praise is a strategy that focuses on naming your child's desired behavior in order to let them know they are meeting your expectations. That way, they are more likely to do the behavior again. Teachers across different grade levels use this strategy to help with their classroom management. It is especially helpful for children, but it also helps teachers clarify what they do expect and what it looks like when it's happening. The key idea in behavior-specific praise is the inclusion of a specific behavioral description in order to clearly communicate behavior expectations to children. This helps to create a clear understanding of behavior expectations. A benefit of this strategy is that it can help to build positive relationships between adults and children. Children can often tell when praise is insincere. When using general praise, it is easy to quickly express a non-sincere compliment such as "how cool." Shifting your praise to behavior-specific praise can help to ensure that the praise you are expressing is sincere and genuine, and used to support the child's learning, as you have to take a moment to make an observation before expressing the praise. Behavior-specific praise is used with other positive strategies as well. These specific praise statements are used following pre-correction when the child follows the expectation, and following each successful request when using high-probability request sequences. It is versatile and can be used anywhere by anyone. Almost all educators and parents are well-versed in the use of praise. However, there is a distinction between general praise and behavior-specific praise. General praise is a non-specific verbalization or gesture that expresses positive judgment of a child's behavior, activity, product, or attribute. An example of general praise would be saying "good job" or "keep up the good work." While these praise statements can make a child feel appreciated and accomplished, they do not clue the child into what they are actually being praised for. Behavior-specific praise is a specific verbalization or gesture that expresses positive feedback of a child's behavior, activity, product, or attribute. An example of behavior-specific praise is saying "good job taking your time to make sure you've picked up all the toys," or "thank you for making sure you cleaned up before leaving the kitchen." These behavior-specific praise statements accomplish two things. First, they make the child feel appreciated and accomplished. Second, they clearly communicate to the child the behavior that you are praising them for, and cues them into the fact that it is a behavior you expect them to show. Here are some easy steps that can be followed to help you begin to implement behavior-specific praise over general praise. 1. Identify behaviors that you want to encourage and reinforce. 2. Practice giving praise that has specific behavioral descriptions in it. 3. Watch for behaviors your child is doing that you can praise. And 4. Praise your child using a specific behavioral descriptor in your praise. Behavior-specific praise is a useful strategy to implement with your child at home. When your child is trying something new for the first time, or showing desired behaviors, instead of saying "way to go" or "good job," add in a behavioral descriptor like "good job brushing your teeth for the whole time the timer is on," or "thank you for asking me if you could go outside before opening the door." Think about the behaviors you want them to do again and use behavior-specific praise statements to let them know. It is a positive way to help them meet your expectations. In summary, Behavior-specific praise is a strategy that focuses on specifying the behavior that you want shown when giving praise. This in turn helps to clearly communicate behavior expectations to children and create a clear understanding of those behavior expectations.